All right, let's talk about the weather again with Tim. We've got some rain heading our way, but you're also tracking the tropics.
Yeah, the tropics are heating up. We've got our first almost named tropical cyclone. Right now it's PTC number 1. That's not going to affect us here locally. We're looking at the heat going forward and a really nice afternoon. A live look across the area right now. We'll start things off in Galveston. Temperatures in the mid 80s. We've got sunshine out there mixed with a few high clouds. And look at Herman Park. If you're going for a stroll this lunch hour, perfect conditions. We're in the mid 80s. Humidity is rather comfortable, especially for this time of the year. And compared with yesterday, it was much, much higher, especially early on in the day. 85 at Brenham right now. Same out in Tomball. 81 at Conroe. 89 El Campo. Liberty sitting at 83. Now, there is a little bundle of energy here off to our northwest, scooting towards Dallas. Notice as it moves to the east, it is starting to fall apart. But enough of that energy, I think, does hold together, especially in our northern zones, that we may see an isolated shower or thunderstorm before the sun sets this evening. Now, overnight, I think that trend goes a little bit farther to the south and east. Watch how it plays out here. At 11:30 tonight, a little cluster of some showers and storms in our northern counties tries to drop south, does fall apart, but the risk is there overnight in early Saturday morning, really right up through the lunch hour. We've got that risk of an isolated shower or storm before that builds on out of here and our focus turns to the heat. Look at the air temperatures going forward. 94 on Saturday, mid 90s Sunday, Monday, upper 90s on Tuesday, and even past this 5-day stretch. It's looking likely we could get awfully close to that century mark just in terms of our air temperatures by Thursday and Friday of next week. All right, let's go to the tropics now. Potential tropical cyclone number 1. If you're wondering just what that is, this is a storm that's not quite yet a tropical depression or storm. It doesn't have a closed center of circulation, but it does have wind speeds up to tropical storm force, which is 39 miles per hour or greater. It is interacting with a lot of wind shear. It's very lopsided. All of its convection is located to the east of that center. That right now is located just to the north of Cancun, Mexico. Plenty of moisture in this envelope here, already impacting portions of Florida. And as we go forward, some minor strengthening is expected to become a tropical storm, which would get the name Alex. Winds up to 40 miles an hour by this evening. That would make it a tropical storm and a name system. 45 by tomorrow morning, and it moves over the central southern portion of Florida and then reemerges over the Gulf Stream and actually strengthens a little bit more as it heads towards Bermuda. All right, here's how Future Track sees things going forward. A lot of rain over the next 24 hours in central and southern Florida. In fact, by the time it exits, we could be looking at some totals getting up in over 8, 10, maybe even over a foot, especially in South Florida. That's the brand new run there, even wetter in some of those areas. So flooding going to be the concern. Here, our weekend does have a shower chance for the first half of Saturday. Aside from that, it's just going to be hot and eventually much more humid and very dry in terms of any rain chances. We're dry right through the middle of next week. 96 on Wednesday, 97 by Thursday. Ron, we are going to be sizzling next week.
I don't like the sound of that, but I'm used to it.
Yeah.
We all are. Thank you so much, Tim.